Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady, and this is my partner, Jules.
Hello, everyone. Today, our two tricky words share a theme. They are both about ability and having the power to do something.
I love having the power to do things. What are the two words, Jules?
They are can and could. English learners confuse them all the time because they describe the exact same action just in different time periods.
I love to sing too. Let's look at the first one. That is spelled C-A-N.
Yes, can is a modal verb. Its core meaning is that you have the ability or the skill to do something right now.
My rule of thumb is simple. If you have the power to do it today, use can.
Let's imagine a scenario. We are at a very crowded karaoke bar. The music is loud, everyone is watching, and it is our turn to perform.
Oh no, I am a terrible singer. The pressure is really on.
I am not scared at all. I grab the microphone and tell the crowd, I can sing this song perfectly.
Well, I'm glad one of us is confident, but what about our second word, could?
That is spelled C-O-U-L-D. It is also a modal verb, but it is the past tense form of can. We use it for an ability we had in the past.
Okay, back to the karaoke bar. You try to sing the really high notes, but your voice cracks in front of everyone.
Yes, a total disaster. So I hold my throat and tell the silent room I could hit those high notes when I was younger.
The exact mistake learners make is forgetting to change the verb for a memory. They write things like, when I was a child, I can run fast.
That sounds very confusing to native speakers because the times do not match.
Let's fix it. The correct past sentence is, when I was a child, I could run fast. And the correct present version is, today, I can run fast.
A great way to remember is to look at the letters. Could has an O in it, and so does the word old. Use could for your old abilities.
Now it is time for your homework. Write 2 sentences in the comments below about your own life, maybe a hobby or sport.
Tell us one thing you can do right now and one thing you could do when you were 10 years old.
We love reading your comments, and your English is getting better every single day.
We know you can master this lesson, and you could even teach it to a friend. See you next time on Mady English Practice.